When was your first MBBR installation?
The first MBBR installation for Headworks was in North America, situated in Moorhead, Minnesota. This was approximately 20 years ago. The first MBBR installation in the Middle East was in 2009.
How many references do you have worldwide?
Currently, we have over 150 working references worldwide.
What was the largest treatment plant Headworks designed?
The largest treatment plant Headworks designed and is currently operational is 40,000 cubic meters per day in North America.
What was for you the most challenging installation?
The most challenging installation would be an installation we delivered in Saudi Arabia. It was a retrofit of an existing oxidation ditch, which was a carousel type arrangement where we designed the process to increase the capacity by 40% without adding new tank volumes. So it was a retrofit and it involved changing the direction of the flow, creating a small roughing zone inside a carousel type extended aeration reactor. I would say that was probably the most challenging of the installations I have worked on.
Does Headworks design and manufacture your own carriers?
Absolutely. We've spent a lot of time developing our carriers through our R&D center, and we have 3 different carriers that we have designed and manufactured, and most of our carriers have been operational now for 15 and more years.
What is the main advantage of MBBR or iFAS over other technologies?
I think there's no one technology which fits all, but one of the key advantages of MBBR iFAS over other technologies is the ability to reduce your carbon footprint by retrofitting existing treatment plants to increase capacity and improve performance. And the other advantage of MBBR and iFAS is that it's very easy to operate and maintain. So there's no chemical dosing requirement, there's minimal maintenance requirement. All the core components that we have designed and we supply as part of the core scope is maintenance free. So I would say, in short, the ability to retrofit plants and the low operation and maintenance is the main advantage of MBBR and iFAS.
What is the biggest risk of failure in a MBBR or iFAS plant?
So failures typically occur in MBBR or iFAS due to poor design. Our experience of fixing failed MBBRs supplied by other companies have been made basically due to poor design. Design challenges comprise of things like approach velocity in sizing tank volumes, location of media retention screens. Sometimes they can choke. So I would say the major risk of failure is in the design. Another common cause of failure is the use of wrong media. So if you use media which has a density of more than 1 and it sinks after a few years. So a lot of the failures are associated during the design phase, which is why it's really important to get the design right.
Why is MBBR a popular technology for industrial customers?
MBBR is a very popular technology for industrial customers because of its ability to have a small compact footprint. This is a major driver for many industries where space is a huge limitation. The other advantage of MBBR, which makes it very popular, is its ability to handle high loads. MBBR as a technology is based on growing biofilm on the carriers. The biofilm remains on the carriers until the biofilm is sloughed and removed downstream. This, in effect, provides a longer sludge retention time inside an MBBR reactor. And therefore, it makes MBBR a very popular technology to treat high BOD or high COD loads versus other conventional technologies which rely on suspended growth processes and the return of mixed liquor suspended solids.
In which industry sectors is Headworks active?
Headworks have a wide range of references in nearly all different industries, ranging from pulp and paper to pharmaceutical to refinery wastewater, oil and gas, food and beverage, healthcare. I would say the main references we have are in pulp and paper, in healthcare, and refinery wastewater, as well as food and beverage.
What guarantee does Headworks provide for design and carriers?
Headworks designs the complete MBBR and iFAS process and manufactures all the core components in-house. This allows us to provide the design guarantee as well as guarantee for the carriers. Our carriers are guaranteed for a minimum 20-year design life, which is backed up by installations which are running now for 20 years. So we are very comfortable in providing process and performance guarantees for all our designs.